Well, today is the day. Salvador Luquin's coming with the boys. We're going to put in brand new fence across the road and up the other side here. Here you can see how well painted farm gates hold up in this environment. This gate is 10 years old. The Sanford Cinder guys, when they got stuck in the driveway, pounded it so hard they tipped this post over here, and when I was trying to straighten it out, you can see over there that the bottom of the gate broke right off. Rusted away like an old Chevy in Chicago. Same thing happened right there. And then of course I've added pig fencing over the front to keep the little wieners from working their way in here. And so the new gates are not only galvanized, but they're going to have pig mesh built right into them, welded in place. So at long last, I have finally gotten the old fence secured so the hogs are not getting in anymore. That was done by adding posts, stapling the fence down to the ground with short posts, and adding barbed wire along the bottom, in some places 2 strands of it. The original fence had never been built to keep pigs out. This was a cow pasture, see? And so the fence was built to keep cows in. That's why it's got barbed wire along the top, cows from reaching over. And so it wasn't a pig fence. It never had been intended for the purpose. But at the time that we purchased the property, the fence was a ghost fence. It was collapsed in the weeds and vines, overgrown. We had to cut it out. We lifted it up. Most of the posts were rusted off. There's a few of the old ones left here. The wood posts in this environment, if they're treated, actually hold up a lot better than the steel ones do. If you're going to use a steel post, you want to use a galvanized steel post, and especially the American-made hot-dipped ones. Those electroplated imports from China just don't hold up as well either. You can see what happens to the steel posts. They just turn... if they're not galvanized, the paint comes right off, and they actually burn off at ground level like a burned matchstick and just fall over after a while. The galvanized ones hold up much longer, probably 3 times. So anyway, I finally did get the fence secured, but the fence is a wreck and it was never meant to keep these pigs out. So today's the day. We're taking it all down, and we're getting all brand new wire, all brand new posts, all brand new barbed wire. Going this way too, and then taking a left up the fence line between me and the neighbors. I guess the place will look a little classier from the road with brand new tight fences. It looks kind of junky, but fence status in the neighborhood is not exactly what I'm after. I just want peace of mind. I'm sick of them pigs. So we're getting brand new farm gates. I got a brand new 12-footer that's galvanized down on the far end for the loop driveway. We're going to put 2 brand new 8s right in here. And then I'm going to put solar openers on them so I don't have to get out of the car when it's pouring rain. And then down on the far end, I got an 8-foot gate. And there, we're going to take the one good surviving panel and install it down there. I think I'm going to paint it. Well, Salvador, aka Pancho, has arrived. We're still waiting for his uncle, but the gates are here. Nice American-made, galvanized. Over here, we got 2 rolls of 4-foot gaucho wire, 74 galvanized American-made steel T-posts. I got 4 7-inch 8-foot wood post over there. Well, them things are expensive here, treated wood, I'll tell you. But what you're looking at there, between the roll of barbed wire, 4 wood posts, 74 steel posts with zinc, gaucho wire, and 3 brand new farm gates, 2 8s and 1 12 with the barbed wire. You look at it, $1,600 worth of stuff here at island prices. Now this is all American made, all right, so none of this import. You can get the import stuff cheaper. Doesn't hold up as well. You can also get the painted stuff cheaper, and it doesn't hold up as well. As you can see, it's raining out here as usual, There are the rose dingle balls on the edge of my umbrella. So I'm standing under my umbrella here, staying dry, taking pictures. So there's Salvador. He's busy pulling this stuff down. They're getting ready here. Still waiting for Uncle, huh?
Yeah. He had to go all the way back to the door. Forgot his pole pounder.
Oh man, I had one. You could have used mine. Oh well. Yeah, and so that's Salvador Luquin, and you guys can call him for fences. He did my back fence. He did the fences around the cattle farm just down the street here next door. That's them fences that turned all the pigs in here. So this guy's got job security in the neighborhood. The more fences he puts up, the more we're going to reroute pigs someplace. Looking good, gentlemen. Very good. Well, Salvador and the boys are here finishing up the fence on the other half. We got the barbed wire tied off to the pickup truck there with a come along, stretching that nice and tight. I'd like to see some pig try to pick that up with his nose. It's gonna be like trying to lift a guitar string with barbs on it. Well, it should take a little bit of clearing to get through the jungle here. We got quite a trash pile, but there you go. Brand new fence running up through. Yep. Pretty as you please. Well, what do you think? We're finishing up. Last gate down in the corner. The pigs were by last night too. Big ones. Yeah, I couldn't get through it though. Yep, and got a brand new galvanized gate with a pig mesh in it. Brand new post. And that's the gate that will end up eventually on my loop driveway when I finish that. We're getting there. This place is getting civilized. Pruned all the lilikoi yesterday. It was covering the row of pineapples over here. He's back out of the woods now. And we got brand new fence all the way down here too. I'm using the Australian pig system here. We got the single strand of wire, barb wire at the bottom of the fence here. That's what most folks use around the island. But we added a second strand 4 inches up from the ground. This is what the Aussies do. The universities recommend it. I like the idea, so I put 2 strand down there. Yep, brand new galvanized front gate panels on brand new posts. Yes, sir. And the piggies come by last night to check out the work on the new fence. Pretty good size hog. Nice footprint. And there's Salvador putting on the last bit. This is going to be the last gate. I'm recycling my old front gate, the good part of it here. I'm going to stick her up on the far corner of the property so I can get in and pick bananas for a change. About got her, huh? All right. Yeah, we got about a little 3-foot bit fence there and that gate, and we got her made, man. Job's almost done. Outstanding.
Okay.
Looks good.
Moment of truth.
Oh yeah, yeah. That'd be sweet. No sweat. Dude, we're talking civilized. What a nice fence. It better be nice. It costs a lot of money. I guess that's why we invest, huh? Believe me, that fence is gonna keep me from getting wealthy. I'm fence rich, money poor. Aloha!